just tell us kind of what happened today?
Well, this was an arraignment, and that's a formal process leading up to the trial where the citizen accused is given the opportunity to respond to the indictment. And of course, you heard Sheriff Blakely plead not guilty to all counts. So that sets the stage for a trial, and you heard the judge order that the case be set for trial March the 9th.
We heard you say that you guys were in the process, I guess, of trying to settle it. So, I mean, could you guys take a deal with the state?
Well, that's always part of any case, and of course the judges always press hard to try to get the lawyers to talk and try to come to an agreement if possible. But I think it's our position that this case is probably going to go to trial. I don't think there's any common ground between the two sides that either side is willing to agree to that can get this resolved. So at this point, I think a settlement is highly unlikely, but the judge wants us to continue talking, and we'll certainly do that.
You guys have already filed several motions. Do you plan to file more?
There could possibly be some more as the case develops, yes.
Talk about the state's response to those last motions that you guys filed about the ethics law being unconstitutional. What did you guys think?
That was kind of what we expected them to say in their response, similar to what they've said in other cases where that issue has been raised. Of course, the judge denied our motion at this point, and that's okay. We sort of expected that too. But that issue is before the Alabama Supreme Court right now, and when they make a final ruling on that issue, we may readdress this.
And tell us a little bit about what the after effects could be if this ethics law is ruled unconstitutional. This can set the precedent and will reverse a lot of cases.
It could change some cases, some prior rulings, and certainly will impact any case that's currently pending, of course.
Anything else you want to add?
Just that the sheriff's looking forward to having his day in court, proving that he's innocent.
How is Sheriff handling all this?
Real well. He's aggravated by it all, but he's doing well.
And he continues to, or is going to continue to serve as sheriff in Limestone County?
He is the elected sheriff, and he will continue to do his job, absolutely.
Anything else?
Anything you want to add? Thank you.